Anna loves bookstores on rainy days. There's something about the sound of rain mixed with the rustling of pages that makes her feel at home. As she runs her fingers along the spines of books, one title catches her eye. She reaches out, only to feel another hand brush against hers. "Oh!" she gasps, pulling back slightly. Her eyes meet a pair of deep brown ones belonging to a man with an easy smile. "Looks like we have the same taste," he says, holding up the book. Anna chuckles softly. "You take it. I've read it a dozen times already." Daniel hesitates. "Are you sure? I don't mind sharing." Something about his voice makes her stomach flutter. She raises an eyebrow. "Sharing? How does that work with a book?" He grins. "We could read a chapter each, then swap." For a moment she considers it. Tempting. "But I have a better idea. There's a cafe next door. Let me buy you coffee in exchange for that book." Anna and Daniel settle into a cozy corner, steaming mugs of coffee between them. The rain outside turns heavier, creating a soft, rhythmic backdrop. "So, what's your favorite part of the book?" Daniel asks, tapping the cover. Anna tilts her head. "The part where the characters meet under impossible circumstances and change each other's lives forever." He raises an eyebrow. "Sounds familiar." She smiles. "Maybe fate likes bookstores and rain." Their conversation flows effortlessly from favorite books to childhood dreams. Anna learns Daniel is a journalist, always chasing stories, always on the move. He learns she's an artist, painting emotions onto canvases. The more they talk, the more the world outside fades away. As their laughter fills the cafe, Daniel's phone buzzes. A message flashes on the screen that could change everything. What secret is he hiding? The cafe closes, but neither of them is ready to say goodbye. The rain has slowed to a drizzle, the air cool and fresh. Daniel pulls out an umbrella, but Anna shakes her head with a playful smirk. "Where's the fun in that?" she teases, stepping out into the rain. Daniel laughs, shaking his head. "You're impossible. And yet you're still here." They walk side by side, her shoulder barely brushing his. Every now and then their hands almost touch, sending small jolts of warmth through Anna's skin. They find a bench beneath a street lamp, golden light spilling onto the wet pavement. Anna hugs her arms, the coolness of the night settling in. Without a word, Daniel shrugs off his jacket and drapes it over her shoulders. "You didn't have to. I wanted to." She looks at him, something unspoken passing between them. His fingers inch toward hers, hesitant, testing. But just as their hands almost touch, just as their fingers almost touch, Daniel's phone rings again. This time he answers. The expression on his face changes. Something is wrong. What is Daniel not telling Anna?